Okay, whatever design you do choose, once you've put it onto your block, this one you could see I've already started. Once you've put it onto your block, you're going to make a diagonal going across your entire drawing. Let's pretend it's on here. You're going to make your diagonal. And then when you go to cut, one side is you're going to cut the negative space, so all the space around your design, and one side you're going to cut all your positive space, all the design you have drawn inside. So the next videos are going to show you how to actually do that. I want you to be aware though that you are going to make a diagonal line through it and do 1/2 negative cutout and 1/2 positive cutout. This one is already pre-designed that way, so it makes it a little bit simpler. But if you make a design that's more like this, you're just going to put a line through it after you've drawn it onto your block. Okay, you're going to work with a gouge tool, which we used in 6th grade. You're going to use the gouge tool, your linoleum block, and you're going to be working on a board. I just don't have it here, that locks in it's a bench, a table bench that locks onto the table, and that's what you're going to be working on. You always need to be cutting away from yourself. You don't want your hand back here because you don't want this to slip and cut into your hand. So those are a few of the safety tips that I'm going to say. You're going to find somewhere to cut. Everywhere that you cut, you're getting rid of the block. That is where ink is not going to land when we go to roll out the ink. So that's going to be your negative space. So everything that you want to stay that's going to be printed, the color is going to be left alone. So I'm going to figure out what it is I'm going to cut. Am I going to cut all my design that I drew, or am I going to cut all the background? So you're going to just figure that out, and then you're going to start by cutting away your block. Remember, it all has to be cut away from you, and your hand is never here, okay? Okay, now I'm going to do my other side, the other half, and this time I'm going to do reverse of how I cut that one.